what's up? Okay, so today's video is a plus size Thong haul. I actually usually get my panties from Pennington, but I got some from Old Navy this time to show you guys. Okay, so by the way, they were having a sale. The first one I got was this one. It's cute little hearts. It kind of looks like polka dot. No, it's triangles actually. So I got that one. I got this color. I feel like this color is gonna look so nice on me. I like to get a bunch of different colors. I have a friend who likes only to get like nude underwears, and I'm like, where's the spice? It gets boring. I like to switch it up, you know. So I did get another one in this color, but this one has like a design going. This one, by the way, has like a cute like mesh. Anyways, I'm obsessed with them. All I wear is Thongs except for like occasionally. So this is the next one. I love the design. I like to have different like designs, different looks, you know. One thing I'm not into though is G-strings. Like I have one, but like I have a few actually, but I never wear them. This is the Old Navy one. So Old Navy actually sells a pack. I bought a pack. I put all of them in here, but that's why I didn't like. They're all nude, but it's still convenient to have, you know. So I bought a pack for like, I think they were having a sale, so it was like $20 or maybe like cheaper. But it's a pack of 5. Then I got red because I feel like red is so sexy. And I feel like red looks good on my skin. And even colors like this, like, I love pastel colors. This color looks so cute on me. This is the last one I got from Old Navy. I mean from Pennington. The rest are the nude ones from Old Navy. I think this one's my favorite in style. But I really love the red color and the purple one. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Anyway, so I hope you enjoy my little underwear haul. And I'll see you next time.